What's up guys, before I start today's video, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be selling my stickers because a lot of you requested for me to sell them. All of the profit for these stickers is going to go back into content. This is going to be completely different from my actual brand Mental. This is going to be available on jasonis.bigcartel.com. Link is in the description below. There's only going to be 50 of these being sold, so if you guys want to cop and have a sticker of my car, check it out. These are very, very high quality, not super flimsy, and I absolutely love them. Now let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. You guys wanted another video with Edwin and his supercharged IS350, so we're giving it to you. And I'm here with none other than Edwin.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Thank you for coming out once again. Today we are going to be talking about Edwin's car. A lot of you guys wanted a full mod list, and thankfully he's not afraid to give any of his secrets out. I mean, to be honest, I don't think a lot of us can afford all the things that he did on it, but he wanted to help inspire you guys to start modifying your car. And if you want it to look this way, now you'll know what to do. All right, so let's start off with the first mod, the supercharger.
All right, this is from RR Racing. It's stage 3 for IS250. However, it's considered the stage 2 for IS350. I have access to the oil system inside. I upgraded to the Big Bubba, which is a bigger blow-off valve. Sounds amazing. I think that's one of the things that you like the most, and I love it. The sound and everything else is just amazing. I have the K&N air filter. If you come over here, I have an AEM adapter. This whole thing right here is rerouted on the 350. It's collecting data and it's sending it through here. It lets me know what type of E85 I have. I'm running E40, which is a blend between E85 and the regular gas that we usually get, which is 91 here in California. The main goal for that is to get a higher octane. I did my installation. I did it myself because they're really far away, and two, it just gets pricey, and I'm very daring, so I installed it myself. I did a really good job with the installation, except that I missed a little something, and that little something that I messed up my 250 engine. I blew the engine. I needed a new engine. I did my research, and it was gonna cost a lot of money to replace it. At that point, I just kind of did something crazy. I just went crazy at it. I put a 350 engine on it, and as you guys can see now, I have a 350 engine on a 250 car, which is basically the same thing but a different engine, and now here I am with it. I don't really know how much power I'm pulling. I know a lot of you guys asked me and asked Jason and some of my friends. I wish I had a definite number for you guys. However, I don't. The main reason is, like I said before, I blew my engine. I need to get a tuner, but before I get me a tuner, I need to fine dial some stuff. I might have an exhaust leak, I might have some other stuff, and if I'm gonna go spend the money that I have to spend for a tuner to fine tune everything, I think I need to wait it out, and I need to make sure everything's running good on this engine. Alright guys, so question that's very popular is my front end conversion. This used to be an IS250 Sport, and it looks just like a 2017-2020 IS350 or IS300. Front end conversion took a lot of work, and it took a lot of researching. I have a detailed thing on Lexus. You guys can follow that list, or you can ask Jason. Jason is very knowledgeable.
I will put the link in the description below.
I know you guys asked a lot of questions about the JDM headlights for the newer 2017-2020 model. A little bit hard to get, but you guys can try and find them used, or else you could be looking at about $7,000 to $8,000 for the pair, which is really a lot of money for a set of headlights. The headlights were custom made. I had to take front of the lens apart to be able to get in the inside, painted all the silver stuff black, and then I did a little custom something for it so they can give a little touch of my car pretty much. If you guys ever wanted to do something, then you guys can do your own little touch and own little colored stuff. In regards to the front lip, it's a little hard to get. You gotta order it from Japan. Don't think Artisan Spirit makes this in CF, but you guys can look into it. I don't think they make CF for this. It's really expensive, but it's quality. As soon as you get it, you're like, yes, it is quality. On the bottom of it, it has a certification of authenticity, and it's just really nice stuff. The wheels, they are forged 3-piece wheels, super light. I mean, the wheels are lighter than my tires. That should tell you a lot more, which is crazy. Not sure how that happens, but I am running 10-inch in the front, 10.5 in the rear. They are +7 in the front and they are +17 in the rear. Probably won't fit anybody unless you add wide body of some kind. I had to add wide body on my car about 1.5 inches, and that was full metal work. I don't think anybody with OEM fenders and rear quarter panels will be able to fit this unless you put some camber. But 19-inch, they are Avon guarded. And they are, I think, F531, if I can be sure. If not, then I'll get corrected. Maybe Jason can put a link of the specific model online. Full Brembo GT. They're not the ones that come in any other car, to be honest. I mean, I probably would have saved a lot of money if I would have gotten it from a different car. However, these are straight from factory. They're pricey. If you can afford it, if you want to do it, then go for it. I know that I can take these Brembo kits to any other car and make them fit just because they're straight from Brembo. All I had to buy is a specific mounting kit for any other vehicle. They are 6-spot in the front, 4 in the rear. I believe they're 410 for the front and 380 in the rear. For side skirts and the rear spats, they are Artisan Spirit. I did wide body in the front and rear. It was full custom metal. They had to cut, I believe, the edge of this, and then a lot of cutting and just metal work to bring this about 1.5 inches to make these wheels fit. But it looks clean, it looks factory, and that's what I'm looking for. My diffuser is from a 2017-2020 complete OEM, except that it's being custom made. I mean, not custom made, but custom painted. It is from the F Sport series. It allowed me to put a quad exhaust. The quad exhaust is from Apexi, and it's a full quad exhaust that goes all the way from here to the headers. It's the N1X Evolution, if you guys wanted to look it up online, and it's meant for 2017 and above. For the reflector lights, I got the JDM reflector lights. Tail lights, ordered them from Japan. I was getting tail lights for 2017 and 2020 since I was doing the full conversion. The difference is that the tail lights, the turn signals turn on with full LEDs instead. For the spoiler I got, it's from Artisan Spirit Black Label. It all goes and flows together. So if you guys wanted to look at the spoiler, you guys can look into the Artisan Spirit Black Label. I get this question a lot, is my air suspension or just my suspension in general. I am on Airlift 3H. I added a tank that has a compressor inside. It was from AquaAir. AquaAir went out of business, unfortunately. The tank with the compressor inside, it's amazing. It's a revolutionary, to be honest. I love it. It's quiet. It fills out the tank super quick. You can air out and air up without any wait time. But besides that, I am running True Hearts front camber, upper camber, and I'm running Megan Racing in the rear, all 4 arms to be able to adjust to make those wheels fit on the rear quarter panel. For lighting, full JDM here. Instead of underglows, it wasn't too tough to install. I love it. It connects to my phone. I can change colors. It has many different colors. About $60 from Amazon. I mean, it's probably the best money I spent. Catches a lot of attention. My DRLs got the LEDs and I got the modules from a good buddy of mine. He hooked me up. He guided me every step through how to install them. He was able to program them for me and everything, but I am proud that I did it myself. If I did it again, I'll probably have her do them for me. Alright, so let's start with my steering wheel.
Parking mode.
Are you gonna let me talk or not?
GPS connected.
Sorry, my car likes to talk too much. I have a full dash cam system that records front, rear, black view. I mean, if you're gonna invest. I mean, just by getting a Lexus, I highly recommend everybody to have a dash cam. You never know. So it's kind of like a extra insurance. For my steering wheel, it's full carbon mixed with leather. I love this thing. It feels good on your hand. It drives good. Super light. I remember comparing it to the one that I had before. It's insanely light. Alvin Carbon Fiber is the one that sells this steering wheel. I've gotten a few things from him. I got the steering wheel and I got this shift knob from him as well. Passing on from that, this conversion, this has to be one of the hardest conversion that I've done on this car. My car was gone for like 3-4 months. Not gone, but in my garage. Unable to drive it because I was trying to figure out how to make everything work. I took the whole dash apart, everything else, just to make this whole center look kind of similar to the new 2021 Lexus RC, which kind of resembles some of the stuff here. There used to be a joystick, a little something here where the cup holder sits. Is just perfect. I can put my hand and grab whatever it is, versus the other stuff was kind of like clunky and you kind of had to reach here. The touchpad is amazing. I love it much more than the joystick. It's so much better. At night it's amazing. It lights up and that Lexus there makes me happy every time I look at it. Widescreen, I mean, that's amazing. 2014 when we had that small screen, we never had an option to get a wider screen. Now we have that option, especially with the newer RCs and 2021 IS. It comes with Apple CarPlay, all OEM. I mean, you can't ask for better than that. Okay, so the light, this thing is amazing. I mean, I don't know why all the cars didn't come with this from the get-go. I mean, it's touch, turn on, turn off. It's white LEDs and it matches really good. It's like it was meant for the IS. I'm not sure why. I mean, I spent thousands of dollars on this car. I'm talking about thousands of dollars, and I don't even know how I got here, but I got here. I spent all that money. I got this on eBay for $150. The rear view mirror is my favorite mod of all the $1,000 dumped in this car. I'm not sure why. I'm driving, I get behind the wheel and I enjoy that. It's just a perfect view of everything. It's just amazing. This is the RC or RCF rear view mirror. It comes from 2015 and above. Everybody asks me about that. They think it's a digital clock. I mean, I will get confused too because it gives you numbers and it's right there. Before we used to have an analog clock and it's not. It's a boost gauge. It's made by Innovate and it's part of the boost kit that I got, a supercharged kit from RR Racing. It displays the AFR and it displays the boost amount that you're pushing at a certain time. As you guys can see, I tried to go over all the mods that I've done on my car. I mean, there's just a lot of little details here and there that I didn't mention. I spent a lot of money on the car. I mean, I think I went overboard. A lot of you guys probably ask yourself, why did I spend so much money on a car? I don't know. I mean, it's been a process for like 3-4 years and I just did it. I am very happy with the car. I'm humble and I enjoy the car. There's nothing that I regret doing because it's, you know, at some point in time I wanted to do it and I did it. It's pretty much my taste. I hope you guys like it. Appreciate you guys bearing with me. I hope that you guys understood most of the stuff that I did, and help out Jason, watch the video, share it, and then if you can, make him famous.
So there you guys have it. Every little detail about Edwin's car and all of the secrets. So it's all out there for you. Edwin, what is your #1 favorite mod on this car? I know we've asked him this before in a previous video, but now that we have the car here, I want to know exactly what it is.
I like everything. I mean, I really enjoy my mirror, like I stated before. That's like, it has to be one of my favorites, but I think the whole car pieced together, it's my favorite mod.
The whole car?
The whole car.
But I understand where you're coming from because
Yeah.
like a steering wheel, a mirror, or like the center console, you really use that every single day.
I do,
so that's why you
yes.
like it so much.
I do, yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, in a sense, I mean, I think I just enjoy everything. I love my Apple CarPlay. I love playing music with a news radio.
You love your bags sometimes.
Exactly. Well, I love my bags most of the time until I don't, because I hit a bump or I mess something up.
But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Edwin, for taking your time out of your day.
Anytime, man. I got you.
If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit up my boy Edwin on Instagram if you need anything or if you just want to talk to him about cars. This dude loves cars and he loves meeting new people. But with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good
And to feel good.
later.